Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your password in SOFI, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded SOFI app, and once you open it you will be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can find sign up and login option. You just simply need to click on login option and you will be redirected to the official login page where you can see forgot password option. Just click there and you will be able to see another page where it is asking us for our email address. You just simply need to give your email address in here and click on submit email. And once you complete your formalities, once you verify it, you'll be able to reset your password successfully. So basically this is how you can reset your password in SOFI app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.